You are now watching Doorbell News. Cincinnati, Ohio. This homeowner is upset after this FedEx driver shattered the glass on his new stove. Should have used the dolly. Sierra Vista, Arizona. What was that? Looks like he's spinning the food. Yeah, better keep an eye out on those food delivery people. That's pretty gross.
Come here, Shelby.
Hold on. Out. Out.
Here's some footage that we caught of the earthquake that happened in the Reno, Nevada area a couple weeks ago. This DoorDash delivery worker, he pulls a pistol out after making the delivery. Looks like he's just going along with his girlfriend, but why'd he do that? Lehigh Acres, Florida. Looks like the truck turned in front of the car. He definitely didn't have the right of way. Surprisingly, the truck was able to just drive off. If anyone knows who that driver of the truck is, we want to know. This homeowner keeps losing her sponges, and she finally figured out who the culprit was. Looks like it's time to move. That's no mouse. That's a rat.
Oh my God, what just happened? This thing just broke. I was just playing with the curtain.
He's like, hey, Mom, this thing just fell. I don't know how it fell. It just fell. Better park your car in the driveway. Looks like a hailstorm. And he may want to put that car in the garage, if he has one. Yeah, that's gonna mess up that nice new wrap. Litchfield Park, Arizona. A high school party at an abandoned house erupts in chaos. This is exactly how innocent bystanders get hit.
Hey! Get up! Get up!
That's what you call tough love. He didn't even ask if she was okay. Apple Creek, Ohio. Looks like somebody missed the bus.
Oh my God. Please tell me to record. You are crazy.
I'm so
right now.
tired of you. I'm so tired of you.
Stop
I'm
it.
so tired of you.
You are making this so much worse. Please tell me you're recording this, please. You are going to lose custody of Damien for this. Why would you do this?
Why would I lose custody when you...
Look at you. You broke my window.
Let go.
Can you stop? Like, what the Stop. Can you? No, we need to call someone.
Okay.
Like, this is actually ridiculous.
Yep.
In this box is a ninja juicer. This Amazon worker decides to take it for himself after delivering 2 packages. I guess he wants to make some green juice or something. Hey, put that back.
I'm time to go. Let me talk to you on your. Yeah, right time to go. Right time to go. Right time to go. Get the out of here. Nah, come here. Get the off. Get the out of here. Just leave. First off, I will sleep now. Oh. Get the out of here right now. I said now, motherfucker. Okay, man, there's kids over there. You better chill out. You better chill out. I ain't chilling out. This fucking 46-year-old man whip your ass right now. Get I just want to know what I do. I said get down the road.
I wanted to pay a truck note to January. Hey, what that was, man? Ronnie, what the hell that was, bro? God. Man, something must have blown up, bro. I'm talking about making the house vibrate. There's something sound like an explosion just happened, bro. I swear to God. Everybody outside.
Romeoville, Illinois. A Doorbell News viewer sent us this video of their neighbor who keeps stopping by their house. But he's at the wrong house, obviously.
Oh, yeah.
Memphis, Tennessee. He must be balling. He has an Apple Watch and looks like a Rolex. Gotta make sure those gold teeth are shining.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
Please go.
Check this guy out.
Oh my God. Oh my God. God. Brooklyn, please. Please, baby. Baby, please. What's your call, your cross? Holy shit, dude. No.
This guy's definitely gonna want to buy a house with a garage next time. That poor Camaro. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. New episode coming. Thanks for watching.
Make sure you subscribe and like the video.